Hello guys, my name is Princess Dayan Sibioya from BTLE-IA3A. Today let's discuss about the tools and equipment in automotive. My first is my objectives. Select the right tools, use proper tools for specific automotive tasks for efficiency and safety. Promote safety, ensure safe handling and storage of tools to prevent accidents. Maintain tools. Regularly clean and service tools to extend their lifespan. And the first tool is the wrench. Hand tool used for gripping and turning nuts, bolts, or other objects. They came in various types like open end, double box end, and adjustable wrench. Make sure na sakto ang size para hindi masira ang trends. Make sure na tama ang sukat ng wrench sa nuts or bolts para hindi ma-round out or use open end wrench for quick adjustments and box end wrench for better grip. And screwdrivers. Tools used to turn screw. They are recognized by their tips types such as flathead or Phillips. Ito naman is yung pag-tighten or loosen ng screw. Use the right types para hindi ma-damage ang screw heads. And pliers. Versatile tools for gripping, bending, or cutting materials. Common types include needle nose pliers or combination pliers. Dito naman is pag-hold or pagkakat ng mga wires for the grip or ng mga small parts. And the socket set. A collection of socket used with a racket to tighten or loosen nuts or bolts in hard to reach places. Pag-loosen or tighten ng bolts using the racket handle para mas mabilis ito kaysa sa manual wrench. And the hammers. Ball pen or rubber mallets for shaping metals or minimizing damage during assembly. Dito naman is para like yung mga fitting bearings or straightening metals. And tire pressure gauge. Measure the air pressure in the tires to ensure the proper inflation. To check the tire pressure to avoid over or under inflation. I-check ang tire kapag malamig na yung gulong before driving for accurate reading. And spring compressor. Ball pen and rubber mallets for shaping metals or minimizing damage during assembly. Pagkukompress ng suspension spring kapag nagpapalit ka ng shock absorber, securely naka-clamp spring bago mo tanggalin para maiwasan yung mga accidents like that. And the hydraulic jack and stands for lifting vehicles off the ground, safety in providing stable supports during repairs. Dito naman yung pagangat ng sasakyan kapag nagre-repair sa ilalim, pero laging ginagamit din ang jack for stand and safety. And the torque wrench. Specialized wrench designed to apply a specific amount of torque to fasteners, critical or for ensuring proper tightening without over-torquing. Ang paghigpit ng bolts to the extra torque requirement, huwag mag-over-tighten. I-check ang manual na sasakyan for proper torque specs. Allen wrench are designed to tighten or loosen the hexagonal shape bolts and screw. Dito naman is common brake, and bike parts. Multimeter. Multimeter is essential for testing and troubleshooting electrical system in vehicles. Dito naman is ang pag-check ng electrical connection, voltage, or continuity sa wiring system. Ginagamit ito para hanapin yung mga ground faults or para i-check kung may mga short circuits sa sasakyan. And then oil drain pan. Oil change are one of the most common tasks for auto mechanics. An oil drain pan collects used oil from the engine. Dito is yung mga used oil. Pag nag-change oil ka, and siguraduhin na malinis yung pan bago gamitin para walang halong dirt sa oil na magkakos ng contaminate kung gagamitin mo ito ulit. And the funnels. To change liquid or fine-grained substances into containers with a small opening. Dito naman, ginagamit siya para hindi mag-spill kapag naglalagay ka ng oil, coolant, or ibang mga liquids. Lug wrench. A lug wrench is a use to loosen or tighten the lug nuts that secure your vehicle wheels to the hub. It is essential for changing a flat tire or removing wheels for maintenance. Dito madalas ginagamit kapag sa mga flat tires. Ganun. Breaker bar. A breaker bar is give that advantage by providing extra leverage. Nagbibigay ng extra torque or to loosen or tight the bolts or nuts. And then the flashlights. It's important to be able to see that you're doing your poking around under the hood. A good flashlight is something you use every time you work on the car. Dito naman para makita mo na maliwanag kapag nag-aayos ka ng car, lalo na sa mga dark or hard to reach na mga areas. And the safety glasses. Safety glasses are a must when working on cars. Accidents are avoidable and you don't want to put your eyesight at risk. Dito naman is para ma-protect yung yung eyes from the debris or chemicals habang nagtatrabaho tayo para maiwasan na may tumalsik sa mata natin para maging safety siya. And the gloves are essential for their safety because they can protect against harsh chemicals that might otherwise cause damage to the skin or even lead to long-term health effects such as the cancer from exposure. Dito kasi is para protection sa kamay sa mga oil or sharp object or from heat. And the knee pads to comfort and protection when working under vehicles. Dito to support the knees kapag lumuluhod ka, ganoon ka pa sa trabaho. Maganda para maiwasan yung pagsakit ng tuhod, paggasgas, ganoon. And fire extinguisher. Readily available fire extinguisher is crucial in the case of emergencies. Fire extinguisher is panglaban sa mga fire hazard workshop o sa mga sasakyan. And then the air compressor used for powering pneumatic tools in inflating the tires. Pag fill ng tires or para ma-pneumatic yung tools. And then wheel aligner. Measure and adjust wheel alignment for proper tire wear, vehicle handling. Pag-refine ay pag-align ng gulong to proper tire para ma-align ng maayos yung gulong at hindi magkaroon ng incidents, mga accidents, ganun. Brake surfaces brake rotors to maintain proper brake function. And tire changer removes and install tires from the wheels. Dito naman is dapat compatibility ng equipment at tire para walang masira. Tapos ang pagpapalit ng tires is quickly and efficiently. And the oil pump, extract used oil from vehicle for disposal and replacement. Pagta-transfer o pag-refill ng oil sa engine or transmission, iwasang mag-overfill ang oil. Mag-read muna ng dipstick bago magdagdag. Huwag dagdag ng dagdag para hindi siya mag-overflow. And then the battery tester, analyze battery condition and performance. Dito naman is yung pag-check ng battery for charge and health. Also tumutulong na ma-detect ang weak cells sa battery bago ito magbigay ng mga problems. And the scan tool, diagnosis and troubleshoots vehicle computer system. Dito naman is nagre-read siya ng diagnostic trouble code sa OBD system. Pag may na-check ang engine light, i-read niya ang codes para malaman ang specific issue ng isang sasakyan. Air fluid ratio meter, measure the air fluid mixture in a vehicle's engine. Dito naman is nagme-measure siya ng air and fluid mixture para sa proper engine performance. Leak down tester, detects engine cylinder leaks. Dito is ginagamit ito sa engine diagnostic para malaman kung may problema sa valves or sa piston rings, to check the cylinder sealing efficiency. And fuel injector cleaner, cleans fuel injector for improve engine performance. Dito is ang paglilinis ng fuel injectors para maiwasan ang clogging. And OBD code reader, retrieves and clears trouble codes from a vehicle's onboard computer. Dito naman is nagre-read ng diagnostic code para malaman ang issue sa sasakyan. And the timing light, measure engine timing and crankshaft position. Kapag mali ang ignition timing, gaganda ang performance at fuel efficiency kapag proper ang pag-a-adjust. Compression tester, measure engine cylinder compression. Kapag pang-measure ng cylinder compression para sa engine diagnosis, dito mo malalaman kung healthy pa ang engine cylinder ng sasakyan mo. And the dynamometer, measure a vehicle horsepower and torque output. Para may measure ang engine horsepower and torque, often ginagamit sa tuning at performance testing. And then the exhaust gas analyzer, measure exhaust emissions to diagnose engine problems. To measure an emission to comply with regulation, nagiging useful ito para sa emission testing, especially kung may mga problem sa catalytic converter. Now, wheel balancer to prevent vibration and uneven tire wear. Nakakatulong ito na mag-prevent sa steering wobble or tire wear kapag naayos ng maayos yung balance ng wheel. Suspension tester, measure suspension travel and movement para malaman ang condition ng shocks at spring kapag dapat nang palitan. And the dent pullers, Specialized tools to remove dents from body panels. Pwede itong gamitin sa minor dents para iwas pintura at mahal na body repairs. Kasi 'di ba kapag gagamit ka ng dent pullers, ihihilain lang siya para maging okay na siya. And fuel pressure tester. Measure fuel pressure in a vehicle fuel system. Malalaman mo dito kung may fuel delivery issue sa isang sasakyan. And the vacuum cleaners used for cleaning interiors effectively. To clean the interior of the car, including the carpets and the seats. Kapag may mga crumbs, dirt, or debris sa loob ng kotse, mabilisang solution ang vacuum cleaner para maging malinis ang loob ng isang sasakyan. Ang mga tools and equipment na ito is very important, lalo na sa mga iba't ibang gawain dahil nagbibigay sila ng way upang mapadali or maging effective ang mga gagawin mo. Sa tamang paggamit at pagpapahalaga ng mga tools is nakakatulong para maiwasan yung pagkasira ng sasakyan or para maiiwasan din yung incident, ganun, kapag nakakatulong yung mga tools na to para maayos yung sasakyan. And very important din na pumili ng tamang tools and equipments, and nakadepende ito sa specific task na gagawin mo. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.